Hello, welcome to Conas Maths tutorials. In today's video, we are going to look at linear equations. That is the type 2. On our previous video, we learned about the type 1. So now we are going to learn about the type 2. That's the continuation. And this type 2 is about equations with the letter on both sides of the equal signs. We already learned that when we talk of equations are numerical statements which involves an equal sign. So we have some examples here to solve. We have 4 examples here to solve, and all these are examples of equations because they all contains equal signs. These are the equal signs. Alright, so now let's start with our solutions. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start with question 1. Question 1 is saying that 5x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 17. This is not different from the type 1. Now, in this example, we have 5x here, there's another 2x here. So this means that this 5x and this 2x, they are alike, so you group like terms. So this 5 will be here, 5x will be here, then you bring this one here to this side of the equal sign. This is the first side of the equal sign, the second side of the equal sign. So you bring the 2x to the first side of the equal sign. Now when this 2, which is positive 2x, is crossing the equal sign, it becomes negative. It is positive, so it becomes negative. And when it is negative, it becomes positive. That is vice versa. So this 2x is crossing the equal sign. So since it is positive, it becomes negative 2x. Then you bring your equal sign. Now this 17 is there alone. So you write the 17, then you bring this one also here. So this one also will cross the equal sign. So it is positive, this is plus, so it is positive. So it becomes negative. So in this term, we have group like terms. They are alike. Right. So now let's subtract the 2 from the 5. Forget about the x. Let's subtract the 2 from the 5. So 2 from 5, we are going to get 3. Then you bring your x. So that means when we subtract 5x from 2x, we are going to get 3x. Then you bring your equal sign here. So we are going to also subtract the 2 from the 17. And 17 minus 2 will give us 15. Where we have gotten to, we have to find x. So this means that we are going to divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. Like this. Then you cancel out. Why do we cancel out? So that we can isolate this x from the 3. So 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 15 is 5. Because 3 times 5 is 15. So we're going to get x is equal to 5. So this is for the question 1. Now let's go to question 2. So we are going to use a different sheet. Question 2. Question 2 is also state that 8x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 3. So I'm going to write it again. 8x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 11. The same approach, since this and this are alike, the 8x and 3x are alike, so you bring the 3x here, you let it cross the equal sign, and it is positive, automatically becomes negative. So you have 8x minus 3x. Then you bring your equal sign. This 11 is here, so you bring your 11, and this 4 will also go to where the 11 is, will cross the equal sign, and it is negative. So now it becomes positive. Now let's subtract the 3 from the 8. Now 8x minus 3x will give us 5x. Right? Is equal to, then 11 plus 4 will give us 15. So here we divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So this 5 will go here and this 5 goes here 1, 5 here 3. So now my x is equal to 3. That is it. We are going to use another sheet for the question 3. So that is the question 2. Now let's go to the question 3. Question 3. This is the question 3. 9x minus 4 is equal to 2. So we have 9x minus 4, which is equal to 2. So this 9 here will stand alone. That is 9 here. We don't have any number which x is attached here. So 9 will stand here. Then it's equal to, you bring your 2 here. And this also will cross the equal sign. So when they cross the equal sign, it becomes positive 4. This is negative. Don't forget, this is negative. Crossing the equal sign becomes positive. So here we are going to get 9x is equal to 2 plus 4 will give us 6. So here we divide both sides by 9. Divide both sides by 9 so that we can get our x. So 9 will cancel 9. Then this 9 can never go into 6. So what we do is that we are going to find a common number that can go into both the 6 and the 9. So here we are going to choose 3. 3 here, 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 here is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So this means our x is equal to 2 out of 3. That is 2 over 3. This is for the question 3. Now let's go to our last question. That is the question 4. That is the question 4. Question 4. This is the question 4. We have 2x plus 1 is equal to 7x plus 3. Like this. The same approach. Let this 7x cross the equal sign to meet the 2x here. So we have 2x minus 7x is equal to this 3. It is already positive, so there's no need to bring the plus here. So 3 and this one 1, which is with the positive sign, crosses the equal sign, become negative 1. So here we are going to get 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 give us minus 5. Then you bring your x is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Right. So this here we are going to divide both sides by -5. Both sides by -5. Why -5? Because we don't want any negative or any positive negative to attach to the x. We want to isolate the x from the -5. So this negative will cancel this negative. 5 will cancel 5, and this we can cancel out again. So we are going to have x is equal to 2 out of -5. Now you can also choose to bring the 2x here. This one can be like this. You can also choose to bring the 2x here, and this 3 here is the same thing. So the 1 will stand here. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 7x minus 2x. So here we are going to get this is plus, so she's going to be minus. This is minus. This is going to be minus. It's plus. This is plus. This is plus, and this one is crossing to this side, so it becomes minus. So we're going to get -2. Sorry for that. Then here we are going to get 5x. So we divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So this one will cancel this. So automatically we are going to get our x is equal to -2 out of 5. It's the same thing. Anyhow you choose to do, you can bring it here or here. You get the same answer. So these are the solutions for the question provided here. This is the type 2. We will be doing the type 3. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.